The quote say, yesterday storm will show you rainbow, full of fruitful blossom. Now make yesterday's storm where you think say your story done. Sometimes the storm just a clear the sky so your rainbow can show up. Yesterday's storm might shake you up. It might take your strength, your peace, or even things you work hard to build. The storm in your life can make you feel like you lost everything, you know. But let me tell you something, but storm not always come for destroy. Sometimes them come for clear the ground so new things can grow. After heavy rain, the earth turn fertile, seeds start to rise, and flowers start to bloom. Same way the struggles them where you face yesterday might have prepared the ground for the blessings will come in your life. What look good, what look like loss may actually be a preparation. What look like delay may actually be God has set the stage for your restoration. So no lose hope, cause yesterday's storm, your rainbow a farm, your harvest a grow, and your basket nasty empty. And Joel 2 verse 25 says, and I will restore to you the years where the locusts eat. This a scripture remind us where say God can't just bless we. He might go restore everything we lost and refill we feel empty. You might have lost time, opportunity, and peace, but God promises restoration. My friend, love God first and yourself. Peace.